Season's greetings, lover of beautiful kitchen paradise. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is for coconut lovers because we are making coconut candy. So sit back, grab a drink and enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So I'll be using coconut, sugar and salt to taste. The first thing I did behind the camera was break the coconut, remove the shell and washed it very well. Now with the help of a grater, I will grate the coconut into fine, thin and long stripes. Make sure you are using the bigger blade on the grater. After that is set, I'll proceed to making salted caramel with the sugar and a bit of salt to taste. Then I'll add a bit of cinnamon to the coconut and mix it together. Now stir the sugar from time to time to prevent it from burning. Keep stirring until the sugar is fully melted. Add the grated coconut and stir together. Add a bit of coconut water and keep stirring on low heat until the coconut is fully coated. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool down. This is the best snacks you can enjoy with your family and friends this season. See you guys in my next video. Bye.